Today we are going to discuss general consideration and historical aspect of chemotherapy. Now we see the general consideration of the chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a branch of pharmacology dealing with the drugs that selectively inhibit or destroy the specific agent of disease like the bacteria, virus, fungi and parasite. The term of the chemotherapy is also extended to use of the drug in the treatment of the neoplastic disease. Now we see the antibiotic. What is antibiotics? Antibiotics are chemical substances produced by the various species of the microorganism like bacteria, fungi, actinomycete. The term the antimicrobial agent synthesized from the synthetic as well as natural obtain the drug that attenuate the microorganism. What is antimicrobial? Antimicrobial are all the chemical substance whether natural, synthetic or semi-synthetic that kill or suppress the growth of microorganism is known as antimicrobial agent. Selectively toxicity. Selective toxicity is the ability of an antimicrobial agent to kill organism without harming the cell of host. And selectively toxicity is essential property of the chemotherapeutics which selectively target the pathogens. Antimicrobial activity. Antimicrobial activity refer to ability of compound. Antimicrobial activity refer to ability of compound react with microorganism and interfere with growth and multiplication of organism is called as a static effect, or causing the killing of microorganism is called as sidal effect. First we see the what is a bacteriostatic effect. It is ability of an antibacterial agent to inhibit the growth of multiplication of the bacteria is called as a bacteriostatic activity. Bactericidal effect, it is ability of an antimicrobial agent to cause the death of bacteria is called as a bactericidal effect. Now we see the antimicrobial spectrum. Antimicrobial spectrum refer to the range of pathogenic organism against which antimicrobial agent is active. Antimicrobial are often classified as a broad spectrum, narrow spectrum. Broad spectrum antimicrobial are active against the wide variety of organisms, both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, while narrow spectrum antimicrobial are active against few or class of type of organism, for example, gram-positive or gram-negative. Extended spectrum is applied to the antimicrobial are effectively against the gram-positive, gram-negative, anaerobic, aerobic bacteria. What is a potency? Potency may be defined as the antimicrobial activity per milligram of a chemotherapeutic agent is called as a potency. Potency is usually expressed on the basis of the MIC, MBC, MAC. These are the different parameter we can evaluate the potency of the antimicrobial agent. First we see the MIC, minimum inhibitor concentration, is the lowest concentration of an antimicrobial agent that prevent the visible growth of bacteria. What is the importance about the MIC? Is a selection of drug or activity of the particular microorganism against is judged. Susceptibility of the organism affected by host factor methodology used to determine the MIC, change during the course of infection. Now we see the MBC, minimum bactericidal concentration. It is the lowest concentration of antimicrobial drug that kill the bacteria is called as a MBC. Minimum antibiotic concentration. It is a concentration of antimicrobial drug that reduce the growth of organism called as a MAC. What is a post-antibiotic effect? It is the persistence of the antimicrobial effect for longer period after brief exposure antimicrobial agent, and the post-antimicrobial effect vary with each drug or each organism. Now we see the history about the chemotherapy. The history of the chemotherapy may be divided into three phases. First one is a period of the empirical use. Second is the early phase of the dye and organometallic compound. And third one is the modern era of chemotherapy in 1953. 1857, Louis Pasteur was discovered. Fermentation was due to the microorganism. He was also given the germ theory. 1877, Louis Pasteur, concept of the antibiosis, prevention of the growth of anthrax bacilli in the urine by airborne organism. 95, Lister concept of the aseptic surgery. 1910, Paul Ehrlich used salvation for the syphilis, coined the term of the chemotherapy, and Paul Ehrlich is also known as a father of chemotherapy. 1970, Brownie use of the acrifenin in the IV against the systemic infection. 1929, Alexander Fleming is discovered the penicillin. 1966, doxycycline. 1967, clindamycin. 1968, gentamicin resistant pseudomonas, methicillin resistant staphylococcus infection. 1969, amikacin. 1971, tobramycin. 1972, cefamycin. 1972, minocycline. 1973, carbapenicillin. 1974, ampicillin. Ampicillin resistant infection became a frequent. 1978, extended spectrum of cephalosporin. 1979, oral cephalosporin with improved activity of the pharmacology. 1981, anti-pseudomonas cephalosporin, cefotaxime. 1981 is moxalactam. 1983, clenic acid and amoxicillin. 1985, norfloxacin. 1987, new fluoroquine introduced for the systemic use. Thank you.